it's Bob Heil, K9EID, and you are tuned to Ham Nation. But on this date in 1956, I got my amateur radio license. And boy, did I open up a whole life.
Bob, how you doing? I think you have some news too about Dayton and maybe some other things.
Well, I'm glad to be here, and greetings to everybody. I miss everyone. We've been extremely busy doing workshops for clubs. The last night, I think, was number 258 that I've done since February of 2020. And so the clubs are all across America, UK, so on. I just love sharing this hobby, and it all started with me pretty much with Dayton.
And now let's go back to our host, Bob. You're on, Bob.
Good job, good job. We're going to build a coaxial dipole antenna. And we talk about them a lot, and we've showed a few things, but we're going to show you how simple it is to do that.
I did something that changed this industry, and it was remarkable because I didn't do it to change the industry. I did it because I was off the rock and roll road. I just came back into ham radio after 12 years of not being on the air. And what happened to all these radios? They sound terrible. What happened to my Collins audio? Beautiful Johnson and all those great transmitters of the 50s and 60s I grew up with. What happened was they all went back to these low gain preamps, and oh, they were awful, really terrible microphones. So I built this equalizer, the EQ200. I don't have one here with me, but you've seen them. In 1982 July, it became the cover story, and it received a cover award for QST that year. I was very impressed. I didn't know they did that, but I wrote an article, how to build an EQ200. And it changed what we all do, because now we could take these crummy things and make them sound really good. Well, ICOM had one of those, their president. I got a picture of him one time with one of our gold lines and an EQ200 and a 751 ICOM. I couldn't believe it. And we started working with them, and he came up with this new project. He said, I want to do this and use two-band EQ. Pro 1, Pro 2, Pro 3, went on to the 7600, 77, 78. All those have the same audio board, the same equalizer, and now we really don't need an equalizer with all of those type of icons.